Let's taste it. You can use powdered sugar, whatever you like, no syrup, whatever. Oh my God. It's so good. So good. Cook it my way with your girl Nifa. So as you can tell by the title, I am making French toast. My way. I came up with this genius idea. Let's get started. So I'm gonna make my base with this. Okay. So I'm gonna add some more stuff to it. It tastes good all by itself. Let's see. Oh man, it really don't even need nothing, to be honest with y'all. But I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Egg number 1. Egg number 2. So I have right here, over here, I have some cinnamon chip bread. That bread is freshly baked yesterday on Thursday, but I set it out so it can kind of dry it a little bit for the French toast effect. Yeah. Yeah, I just whipped that egg in there real good. Some Kerrygold butter right here. I really don't know how much to put, y'all. What's this stove smoke? What's going on here? So this is French toast under 5 minutes, y'all. I just got some butter in here, some Kerrygold, because I know y'all be looking for cooking my way. I'm going to go ahead and submerge my breads, just like that. Stirring Kit Kat in the background, flip it over, let it soak up some more of that good old stuff, and put it all in there. Just like that. I'm gonna soak up a couple more. Sorry, you want some French toast? So I'm gonna just let this cook. Like, cause I don't know. I'm gonna tell y'all I don't make French toast quite often. As you can tell, I don't even have my little plate ready. Just flipping it over. You need to get a little bit more browner. I'm gonna let it do that. I'm gonna let it do what it do. Y'all, I hope this turned out good, because this is my first time ever making this French toast this way. Usually I make my own milk, cinnamon. But this is cinnamon chip bread. Like, you can't go wrong with it. Alright now. Well, it's looking like something, yeah.
Everything came out good, y'all, back there.
So far, so good. I mean, I don't know what it tastes like yet.
Y'all, them things so good.
We just
try, man. We gotta show our parents. They ain't gonna believe us. Look, them things so good.
Okay.
And Star said she want one. She gonna be mad. Now we're gonna give it two though.
Okay, y'all. So this was real simple, real easy, real quick. French toast my way. I use this syrup, strawberry fruit syrup, great value. That's a Walmart brand. That's tasty. You can use powdered sugar, whatever you like, no syrup, whatever. Oh my God. It's so good. So good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell to be notified so y'all don't miss the next upload from us. Also, if you're new to our channel, y'all haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? It's free. So,